Adulthood is tough for all of us, but do you know what makes it this way? The fact that school never prepared us for it, or even gave us a chance to fight back by providing us with weapons in the form of skills and lessons. Let me stand corrected, the right skills and the right lessons. Ever since you joined adulthood, how many times have you sobbed and said to yourself, "I wish they taught us this in school"? Lucky for you, this video will tell you exactly what these lessons and skills are and where to start now to get them. Adulthood is supposed to be this period in your life where you're at your prime in all corners of your life. Prime health, prime wealth, prime relationships, and enough time to enjoy them all. Here's what you need to know to make that possible. Number 1. Financial literacy. Understanding money is crucial for everyone. Yet, many leave school without knowing how to do taxes, budget effectively, or manage debt. Let's start with taxes. There are different types of taxes: income tax, sales tax, and property tax. Filing your taxes involves gathering documents like the W-2S and 1099-S, using tax software such as TurboTax or H&R Block, or hiring a professional. Taxes are vital because they fund public services like roads, schools, and emergency services. Budgeting is another essential skill. Creating a budget means listing your income and expenses, covering categories like housing, food, transportation, and entertainment. To track your expenses, you can use apps like Mint or YNAB. And when it comes to saving, aim to put away at least 20% of your income, setting specific goals like an emergency fund or retirement. Managing debt is also key. Your credit score, which ranges from 300 to 850, is crucial since higher scores get better interest rates. Always pay your bills on time and keep your credit utilization low. When dealing with loans, understand the terms such as the interest rate and repayment period. Only borrow what you can afford to repay. To avoid debt, live within your means, avoid unnecessary credit card usage, and pay off balances monthly. For those eager to learn more about financial literacy, websites like Investopedia, books like Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, and YouTube channels like Graham Stephan offer valuable advice and tutorials. Number 2, health and wellness. Our health is our wealth. Schools should teach us how to take care of our bodies and minds. A balanced diet is fundamental. Include fruits, vegetables, proteins, grains, and dairy in your meals, following the food pyramid or MyPlate guidelines. When reading food labels, check for serving size, calories, and nutrients, and avoid high sugar, sodium, and unhealthy fats. Regular physical activity is crucial too. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous activity per week. Simple routines like walking, jogging, yoga, or bodyweight exercises such as push-ups and squats can help keep you fit. Mental health is equally important. Be aware of signs like prolonged sadness, anxiety, or mood swings. Practice mindfulness, meditation, and deep breathing exercises, and maintain a support network of friends and family. If you're struggling, consult a mental health professional using resources like the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline or therapy apps like BetterHelp. For comprehensive health information, websites like Mayo Clinic and Healthline are great starting points. Apps like MyFitnessPal for nutrition and Headspace for mental health are also excellent resources. Number 3, communication skills. Effective communication can open doors in both personal and professional life. In terms of verbal communication, practice public speaking in front of a mirror or join groups like Toastmasters. Active listening is vital. Pay attention, nod, and respond appropriately, avoiding interruptions. Clear articulation means speaking clearly and at a moderate pace, steering clear of jargon and using simple language. Written communication is just as important. When writing emails, be concise and to the point, with a clear subject line and proper salutations. Structure reports with a clear introduction, body, and conclusion, using headings and bullet points for clarity. Understand the difference between formal and informal language, adjusting your tone and vocabulary accordingly. Interpersonal skills are crucial too. For conflict resolution, Address issues calmly, listen to the other person, and find a compromise. Practice empathy by understanding and sharing the feelings of others. Showing compassion and support. Networking involves building and maintaining relationships, attending events, connecting on LinkedIn, and following up regularly. Websites like LinkedIn Learning and Coursera offer courses on communication skills. Books like How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie are also highly recommended. Number 4, critical thinking and problem solving. Critical thinking and problem solving are vital in navigating life's challenges. Analytical thinking involves breaking down complex problems into smaller manageable parts and using facts and data to analyze the problem, looking for patterns and relationships. Creative problem solving means thinking outside the box, challenging assumptions, and exploring unconventional ideas. Brainstorming helps generate a wide range of ideas, and collaborating with others can expand your perspective. Decision-making requires evaluating options, listing the pros and cons of each potential solution, and considering short and long-term impacts. Gather relevant information and weigh evidence before making informed choices. Websites like Mind Tools and Coursera offer courses on critical thinking and problem solving. Books like Thinking Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman provide deeper insights. Number 5, practical technology skills. In a digital age, being tech-savvy is not optional. Basic computer skills are essential. Learn to create and format documents using word processors like Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Understand how to use spreadsheets such as Excel or Google Sheets for data organization and basic calculations. Master sending, receiving, and organizing emails, and use proper email etiquette. Online safety is critical. Use strong, unique passwords for different accounts and enable two-factor authentication. Protect your personal information by being cautious about sharing details online and using privacy settings on social media. Digital literacy involves navigating the internet effectively, using keywords and advanced search operators. Identify reliable sources by evaluating the credibility of websites, looking for reputable authors and fact-checked information. Be aware of your digital footprint, understanding that your online activities leave a trace. Think before you post or share. Websites like Khan Academy and Coursera offer free courses on basic computer skills and digital literacy. Books like The Cybersecurity Playbook by Allison Sarah provide practical tips for online safety. Number 6, AI. As AI becomes more prevalent, understanding its basics is increasingly important. AI stands for artificial intelligence, which involves creating systems that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence. There are 2 types of AI. Narrow AI, which handles specific tasks like voice assistants, and general AI, which aims for more human-like capabilities but remains theoretical. Everyday applications of AI include virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. Recommendation systems used by platforms like Netflix, Amazon, and YouTube to suggest content based on user behavior, and automation in customer service, chatbots, manufacturing, robotics, and even self-driving cars. Ethical considerations are crucial. AI systems often require large amounts of data, raising privacy concerns. AI can perpetuate or even amplify human biases if not properly managed. Automation may impact certain job sectors, requiring adaptation and new skill development. To get started with AI, understand fundamental concepts like machine learning, neural networks, and natural language processing. Familiarize yourself with AI tools like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and simple AI coding platforms like Scratch for AI. Gain practical experience through online courses and tutorials on platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udacity, and participate in AI-focused projects and communities. Websites like Coursera, edX, and Udacity offer beginner courses in AI and machine learning. Books like Artificial Intelligence, A Guide for Thinking Humans by Melanie Mitchell provide an accessible introduction to AI concepts. Number 7, career preparation. Preparing for a career goes beyond academic knowledge. When it comes to job interviews, preparation is key. Research the company, its culture, and the role you're applying for. Understand the job description and requirements. Practice answers to common questions like, "Tell me about yourself. What are your strengths and weaknesses?" And, "Why do you want to work here?" Dress appropriately, arrive on time, and bring copies of your resume. Be honest, concise, and highlight your relevant skills and experiences. Networking involves building and maintaining professional relationships. Attend industry events, join professional associations, and participate in online forums related to your field. Follow up with new contacts. Keep in touch with former colleagues and offer help where you can. Use LinkedIn to connect with professionals, join groups, and share relevant content. Ensure your profile is up to date and professional. Websites like LinkedIn Learning and Coursera offer courses on interview techniques and networking. Books like Never Eat Alone by Keith Ferrazzi provide strategies for effective networking. Honorable mentions, lessons and rules from my life. 1. Make decisions from a place of abundance, not scarcity. Believe that there are always enough opportunities and resources for everyone. 2. Avoid the quick and easy paths. Understand that shortcuts often lead to incomplete or unsatisfactory outcomes. 3. Don't be fooled by your own achievements, stay humble, and keep striving for growth and improvement. 4. Aim to master the process, not celebrate the rewards or outcomes. Find joy in the journey and the daily practice of your craft. 5. Honor the beginning, middle, and end of all relationships. Recognize and respect the natural phases of every relationship. 6. Build the life that's right for you. Define and pursue your own unique goals and values. 7. Don't stress the final result. Just embrace the adventure. Focus on learning and growing from every experience, regardless of the outcome. 8. Live within your financial means. Avoid debt and financial stress by spending less than you earn. 9. Never take for granted a genuine connection. Cherish and nurture your relationships with friends and loved ones. 10. Be selfish and selfless. Take care of yourself first so you can better serve others without expectations. 11. Who you are is more important than what you do. Your character and integrity define you more than your job title or achievements. 12. Do not hinder your own growth to preserve someone else's faulty foundation. Prioritize your personal development, even if it means moving away from others' expectations. 13. Don't judge success by the day or week. Examine it over the course of a year or decade. Evaluate your progress over long periods to see real growth and achievements. 14. Spend more time working on the inner you than the outer you. Focus on developing your inner qualities rather than just your outward appearance. 15. Deprive yourself of what you want to give yourself what you need. Make sacrifices in the short term to achieve long-term well-being and fulfillment. 16. Play the long game. Consistency and patience are key to achieving lasting success and fulfillment. All right, everyone, thanks for sticking around. One final note. I don't need to tell you that the good thing about adulthood is that it's the longest of all life stages. Thus, you're not late to start again. And of course, I don't need to tell you that all knowledge is now free and accessible anywhere in the world. So go be who you want to be and live the life you want to live. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more content like this, and I'll catch you in the next video.